We'll be building in plots of land like this a house and putting it onto paper blueprints and then having our turtle build it. So in this video we're going to just build a house by hand and then transfer it to a paper blueprint. First we'll get some materials. I'll use the E key and just kind of cheat a little bit and shift click here to grab a bunch of birch. And then I'm just going to make a 5 by 5 tall 3, 4, 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll finish that all the way up. And I'll pause here for a second. Well, maybe not. We'll just keep going. Oh, geez, my students are so much better than me at this. And we'll make sure we get the right height. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we really want to do here is build something manageable that we're going to then be able to have our little turtle guy build for us. So we're not getting super complicated, but students have the choice to build as complicated as they want, keeping in mind that they will be expected to then program the turtle to build that. And the turtle can place blocks, he can destroy blocks, so you can put in windows and doors if you'd like. Anything you can imagine. And there's the basic part of mine. And for a little roof line, I'm going to go ahead and fill this in. You can tell I'm a little rusty here. Oops. And let's get a different material for a little tiny roof. Maybe a little bit darker. Here we go. That'll work. And I'm making a 3 by 3. So that'll just be one block inset. There we go. And there's my house. And you know what? Let's put a little door right here. It's not even really a door. I'm just going to leave that empty, and that'll be my basic build. Now that I've got my minimum of a 5 wide by 5 deep by 5 height, it's actually going 6 with the roof there. Now I can transfer that into blueprints, which I've done ahead of time. So just to show what that looks like then, to aid in making those blueprints, you might fly to the front like I am here. And then the student can count here and make sure they color in the right number of blueprint graph blocks, and then they can look at it from the side view and get a visual for what that looks like. And then the top view is basically from the front top. So if you're in front and then you go over it and look down, it basically looks like that. And I colored those a different color so you could really tell where there's a difference in height, especially for the top view and the front and the side. So there we go. There's lesson 1, building the house by hand and then transferring it to a blueprint.